I never thought I'd need to worry about volcanic ash until it happened to me. You see, volcanic eruptions aren't just a problem for those living near the volcano. Ash can travel thousands of kilometers, blanketing entire cities in a surreal, post-apocalyptic landscape. Volcanic ash isn't just dirty snow. It's made of tiny glass shards and rock particles that can wreak havoc on your lungs and eyes. Did you know that a single cubic meter of ash can weigh up to 1,500 kilograms? It doesn't just affect your health. It can collapse roofs, short-circuit power grids, and bring entire cities to a standstill. N95 masks are your best friends in this ashy world. No mask? No problem. You can create a DIY air filter using a box fan and some HEPA filters. Remember to regularly clear ash from your roof to prevent collapse. When it's time to clean up, wear protective gear and use damp cloths to avoid kicking up ash. And always stay informed about potential future eruptions. With these tips, you'll be ready to face the ashen apocalypse head-on.